Only true science and nature enthusiasts can ace this quiz. Let's find out. Question 1. Which one of these scientists conducted the gold foil experiment which concluded that atoms are mostly made of empty space? The answer is Ernest Rutherford. Question 2. What are human nails made of? The answer is keratin. Question 3. What is the study of the cells and tissues of plants and animals? The answer is histology. Question 4. What was the first living creature in space? The answer is fruit flies. Question 5. About how old is Earth? The answer is 4.5 billion years. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Follow us for more quizzes and challenges.